area. Okay, so let us start this chapter and hmm, let me bring that. To 11th chapter, right? How many exercises are there in this chapter? Only one. Okay. Yeah, so this will not take so much of time.
Sir, circles, right?
Yes. Yeah, area related to circle. Yes, yes, boss. How was your
Uh,
picnic?
uh, oh, nice. It happened uh,
It happened one
yesterday,
day.
right? Yeah.
Yeah, yesterday or one day before. When did it happen?
It happened yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah. So how did it go, Rizwan?
Nice. Sir,
Good.
I don't know how to swim. Do you
How
know?
to how
I
to
don't know
what?
how to swim,
Swim.
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 Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
So when I went to pool, I drowned.
so who saved you?
Don't save me actually.
Okay, so the level of that pool was not that much deep. So
Yeah, but I
hmm.
slept. Like I slept and I
So
I was
yeah.
scared.
So stay away from the waters, right? Deep waters. Don't go into deep waters.
No, it
So
was
stay
like
away from.
standing water.
Oh,
Like it was
yes,
still my neck.
not that much deep. Yeah.
Yeah, but still.
Go to some swim classes, right? Because
Yeah, I
so
never went to swim classes.
yeah, because the best exercise that one can have is this swimming. So swimming is the best exercise. So yeah, you have to work against the buoyancy, right, or the gravity and all these things.
Yeah.
And yeah, you have to pedal your feet and then yeah, move your hands. So that is a very good exercise. So
Mm.
all those swimmers, you will see that they have good physique. So if you want to have some good physique, and you have told me that Shubhu is
So
what
that fat shrimp can swim.
yeah, so swimming is the best exercise. Good, good. Yeah, let us get back to this.
Uh,
Small chapters. So area related to circle, right? And this you have already done. So we have to keep in mind that yes, this is the circle, right? This is the center. This is the radius, and let's say this is the diameter. So the area of this circle, right, area, or let us say that perimeter of this circle. So first relation is that diameter is 2 into r, right? This is the first relation that we understand. And Second one is the circumference or the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter, what is the perimeter or
So do
circumference?
we
That
use perimeter for circle?
yeah, so perimeter is the total length that is called. So
So
specifically we call
area?
that no, perimeter is total length, total length.
Hmm.
Circumference. In case of circle, we call that circumference of the circle, right?
Okay.
For the case of rectangle, we say the perimeter. So total length,
Hmm.
right? Circumference of the circle. So length, that would be 2 pi r, right? R square is area. Whenever you have r square, so you are multiplying length into length, right? So that cannot be perimeter because you are multiplying length two times, and perimeter is only length, not length square, right? So yeah, and then you have this area of the circle. Area of the circle, which is pi r. So this was about circle, and we have to also remember that how many kinds of area of triangle we can calculate. So this is also helpful. So triangle, this is a triangle. The most general formula, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. This is, let's say, the altitude, which is H, right? And let's say this is the angle, or what should I call it? Let's say theta. Okay. So first, the most general formula that you guys already know. So area of triangle, let me write it as ABC. So area of ABC, that would be half. Base is, let's say, BC into height is H. So base is C. I have written this as C. The second one is the Heron's formula, right? So from Heron's formula, area of ABC, area of ABC, this is 1 or the root of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter. This is the second area. And you have this third one. What is the third one? Do you guys remember? Hmm. Third one uses this trigonometry, right? So if you have two sides, and that should be adjacent, right? So this one, and the angle between them. So let's say this is A, this is B, and let's say this is theta. So area of triangle ABC, that would be half AB and sine. So this is the third one, right? If you don't know, because if you are given this one, so how can you calculate the area, right? You cannot use this one, you cannot use this one. So this one would be helpful. And we have another, yeah. So we have a special case that for the equilateral triangle, for equilateral triangle, area is root 3 by 4 and a square, or let me write it as side square, right? So if you have an equilateral triangle, A. So area would be this much. And you can see from this relation that why this is root 3 by 4a square, right? So if we use this formula, the trigonometry formula, so what would be the area of this triangle? This angle is how much? 60. So what would be the area of this triangle, everyone? R, A, and sine 60, right? So this is A square by 2 sine 60 is how much? So who got disconnected? Sine 60 is how much?
It's root 3 by 2.
3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2. So this would be root 3 a square by 4. So that is how you get this one. Okay. And can you do it from the Heron's formula? Yeah, you can also do this using the Heron's formula, but leave that one. So for from this formula, you can get this relation. This was about triangle, right? And then you have to also remember that if we have a circle, this is also a very important part, that if we have a circle and this is the diameter, right? And then I am joining some point on the circumference of the circle. So this angle would be how much, guys? Yes, that would be how much?
60
90 degrees.
or
90,
90, sorry.
90, right? Because we have this property that this angle is double of this angle, right? So this is
Yes, sir.
180. So this would be 90. All these property we will use. That is why I am reminding these things, right? So yeah, this would be 90, right? So if this is 90, then we can use half and this base into this height. So that is why, yeah, and this property also. So this is a diagonal. And we have this property that let's say these are the points, or let's say this is a chord. So this makes whatever angle this makes with the center. So that is double of this one. So this is, let's say this is 2 theta. So this is theta. So we have used this property in this, right? And what more? Now we can talk about the different parts of the circle, right? So we can have, let's say we have this circle and we take some arc from here to here, right? So we take this arc. So this would be minor arc. These parts you guys have already done, right? I'm just recapping these portions. And this is right. So you have something like this, and you have something like this one. So this is the major arc, right? And if you want to find out this length, arc length, so minor arc minus minus. So this would be whatever angle it is making with this center, right? So this, let's say this is theta. So this is theta by 360. And what is the circumference? We are calculating the length. Always remember, whenever we are calculating the length, then this would be 2 pi, right? When we calculate the area, then this would be pi r square. Okay, so this is a minor arc and arc length major. That would be how much? How much is this angle? When you go full circle, then you make a 360, right? Then, okay, who is this? I don't know. Yes, so this total is theta, so this would be how much?
360 minus theta.
Right, so 360 minus theta divided by 360 into 5. So this is a minor arc, and this is major arc. Okay, and now, so these are arcs. And then you have these sectors again. So this talks about the area, right? So we have this circle. Let me draw a circle, right? So we have this circle, and I take 2 points again on the circle, and then I have this center. So I join these 2 points to the center. So this circle would be divided into parts, right? So one would be this one, and the other one is this. Oh, again, who got this guy? So this one. So this is major sector, right? This is divided into sectors. These 2 points divide this circle into sectors, right? So this is major sector, and this is again minor. So we have this sector, the ice cream one, cone ice cream, right? But this is in 2D, right? So cone ice cream is a different structure. And then we have this one. Okay. So then what is the area of these two, right? And this is the angle theta. This is 360 minus theta. This is theta. So the sector, right, or area of the sector minus, so this would be theta by 360. Now we are calculating the area. So then we will write the area of the circle, right? And then again area of the sector and major one. So this is 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? And we can also find the area of this major sector by subtracting this minor sector from the full circle, right? So if we subtract this part from the circle, then we'll get the major sector. So this is the other item. And the last part, is the segment. So all these things you guys have already done, right? In your ninth class. So again, we are revising that portion. So this was there in the ninth class, right?
Me forgot.
Oh, got it. Yeah. So that's why I'm quickly going through these ones, right? So then you have this segment. So what is a segment? Uh, we have this again 2 points, and then we have let's say this center. We cannot yeah, so we can also ignore this one, but I will talk about using these points. So this sector is when you make the chord between these 2 points, right? And then what you do is that you remove the triangle from this sector. So you have this sector. So you have this total sector, and from this sector, you remove this triangle. Then you will have this portion, right? So this is looking like semicircle, but this portion. So this is called the segment, right? And this is the segment. This is where this area of triangle comes in handy, right? So how to calculate the area of triangle? So with those three relations, we can find out the area of triangle, right? So segment would be how much? There are two segments, right? Again, so one is this one and the other one is this one. This is minor segment and this one is the major. So again, area of segment. Area of segment, what would be this? So this would be, let's say we are calculating minor. So sector that is minus area of triangle, right? So this is yeah. Okay. And similarly, if we want to calculate the area of major segment, and that is major one. So this is circle minus segment which is minus. If you have this total circle and you just subtract these parts, then you will get this major segment. So that is the whole idea about this chapter, right? All those, yeah, so I guess that much, yeah, that is the thing that, okay, yes. Any doubt in these portion, guys? Any doubts?
Is there another way like to find minor segment?
Minor segment. Yeah.
So if you have
So
to first find the sector, then the minor segment.
no, no. So we can find the segment in different ways, right? Yeah. So okay, yes. So you'll have to find the sector part. We cannot find the area of segment without using the sector. Yes. So we cannot find that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we'll have to calculate the sector first. Right. Yes, please note it down. And if you guys have any question, so please ask me that. Right. Please ask me if you guys have any question. Who got disconnected?
Sir, can you scroll down? Sir, can you scroll down?
Sir, wait, sir. This much of it. Okay, okay. No, no, no. That's the first one.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Then, right.
Yes, second is good. So can you scroll down?
Yes, sir. Yes, done.
No, sir, no,
Is this okay?
nah, little. Oh yeah, fine now. Yeah, okay, okay.
Yes, done.
Nah. So wait, so wait. Yeah, done. Yeah, wait. Yes, done.
Yes, everyone, done.
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Done.
Good, everyone. So, yeah, let us start questions, right? So, let us start with the simple ones, right? Find the area of a sector with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of this sector is 60 degree, right? So we have this sector, this is 60 degree, and this is the radius, right? So these are the radius. This is 6 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. And we have to find out the area of this sector, right? So area of sector. This is theta by 360 into pi r. So 60 by 360 and then pi, unless stated otherwise, take this to 22 by 7, right? So we have to take this as 22 by 7, and r is 6 centimeter, right? So area would be in centimeter square. This is 6, this one cancel, and this is how much? 132 by 7 centimeters square. So this is the area. Right, guys?
Sir, we have to leave it in fraction or solve it further.
Yeah, so up to this point, this is okay because we know that this is 7, right? So this would be a non-terminating one. So we can leave it at here, or we can also write it in mixed fractions, or we can. Okay, so Tala is getting disconnected, right? Yeah, we can also write it in decimals. All the answers are correct.
Done.
Done. Yes, everyone, done.
Yes, sir.
The, I guess in two classes, this chapter would be over. How many questions are 40? So this one is not a question, but 30. So I guess in two classes this would be over, and then we can start the surface area quadrants. Okay, so find the area of a quadrant, right? What is a quadrant? So quadrant means that this circle is
Quarter?
quadrant, quadrant, sir, quadrant. What did you hear?
No, I was answering.
Yeah, so quadrant, sir. So quadrant means that the circle is divided in four parts, and those four parts are equal. So this is equal, this is equal, this is equal, this is equal. Then what should be the angle?
90.
90.
90, right? So this is 90, and we have to find out the area of the sector or quadrant of the circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter, right? So circumference is given. This is 22 centimeters. It is right as C. This is pi r, and this is 22 centimeters. So what would be, yeah, so 2 pi r is 22. So r is 22 by 2 pi. So 22 into 2 into 22. These type of questions are when you have these values of r, right? So this is 7 by 2. R is 7 by 2, and we have to find out the area of this quadrant. Right. So area of this quadrant. So that would be
1/4.
this. So theta by 360 into pi r square, and theta is 90. Right. So 360 into pi r is 7 by 2, 7 by 2. This is cancelled, and this is cancelled. Okay, so just lots of This is cancel. So 77 by 8.
Hmm. Yeah,
And
instead of taking 90 by 360, just we can take 1 by 4.
yeah, of course. So that would be 1 by 4th of the circle, right? Pi r square and 1 by 4th of the circle. That is also correct. So yeah, because the quadrant would be 1 by 4th of the total circle. Because
Hmm.
let's say this is 1, so this would be also 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. And they are making, right? So then
Yeah.
this would be pi r square by 4. This would be 1 by 4, right?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, so yes, that is also the correct one, right? But using the sector for part, that would be, yeah, 77 by 8 centimeters. Centimeters. Yes, note down, guys, and yes, whenever you guys have noted it down, please.
Done.
Then everyone done? Yes, guys, noted.
Done, sir.
Then will not be this part because this. Okay, so the next question is that the length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. So let's say that we have this minute hand, right? And this is rotating, right? So this minute hand is rotating, right? And then let's say this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. This is the clock, and the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14. This length is 14 centimeter, and yeah, so the length of the minute hand of a clock. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So let's say in 5 minutes, this clock comes at here, right? So this is the sector that it is making, right? So this is the sector that it is forming, and we have to find out that what is this angle, because if because we know the radius and we only need to find out the area of the sector, we only require this theta. R we know, we have to find out this theta, right? So in complete rotation, this minute hand in complete rotation, how much angle it covers in complete rotation? So let's say
360.
360, right? So in 60 minutes, that is the complete rotation, right? So
Yes.
in 60 minutes, it makes an angle of 360. So in 1 minute, it will make an angle of 360 by 60, and in 5 minutes, this will make an angle of 360 by 60 into 5. So This is how much? 30 degrees. So in 5 minutes, this would be the angle that the minute clock will be, right? This is 30 degrees. Is this clear, everyone? This is the unitary method, right? Okay, so now we have this angle and then we can calculate this area. So area is 30 by 360 into pi r square. So what is, yeah, now again this r is good. So 30 by 360 and 22 by 7, 14 into 40. This is 2. This is cancel. This is 12. This is 6. And this is 2. This is 7. Right. So then this is how much? 14, 15453. So we can write it in the decimal form, but this is also correct. So this would be the area swept by the minute hand clock, right? In 5 minutes. So is this clear, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please note it down and then we'll do the next question.
Done, sir.
Done. Everyone noted?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so what is the next question? A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle. So again, this would be a quadrant, right? At the center, find the area. Oh, chord is making an angle. Yeah, so find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. So that is not a quadrant, right? We have a circle and we have this chord. And this chord is making an angle of 90 degrees. So this is 90, right? This is 90 degree, and if this is 90 degree, so how much is this angle? That will not need, but and this length, so this is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter, and yeah, all these information are given. So first we have to find out the minor segment. So we have to find out this area, right? So to calculate the minor segment, we will require the minor sector, right? So minor segment would be how much? That would be minor sector minus triangle, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So let us find out individually. Minor sector is how much? Minor sector is 90 by 360 into pi and 10.
R. Uh,
Yes,
nothing.
this is 4 and this is 2. This is 5. This is 5. So this is 25 pi. Okay. Now let us keep it at that way for now because we will put the value in the last. So this is 25 pi area of triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? So area of triangle, that would be how much? Half base and then height. So if I take this base, right, then this is the height, right? So half 10 into 10. So this is 50. Right, guys? And then we have to find out then segment.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. Hello. Mm, no, no. Knock, knock.
Yes, sorry guys. So uh, light went off and yeah, let me quickly share the screen. Sorry.
No
And
problem.
yeah, so okay, everyone is here, right? And who left? TSV and have joined. Yes, so Talha left, right?
Talha missing.
Hmm. Yeah, so you guys, we will do this question in the next class, right? So you guys, please take that active test. Go to the Learnivio account. Yeah, take that active test. So we'll stop it here, right? Because we have only have to find the answer. We'll do this question in the next class, and this chapter will not take that much of it. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So please take that active test, class assessment test, and yes, bye guys, and please when you leave, please take that test. Bye everyone.
Okay.
Walaikum
Bye bye,
salam.
sir.
Ameen. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello. Yes. Good. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Tejasvi. Yes. So how did the Shera go? How many sweets you ate?
So we didn't celebrate it actually. We just had a good dinner. That's all. So
Oh, that's all. Yes.
yes, sir.
Uh, uh, so there was no celebration in your colony.
No, sir. Actually, we live in Saudi, so we don't celebrate like much, and there
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
don't get to celebrate.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So my friends sent me those video of Ravan then, and yeah. Okay. And then you only had food, yeah. So you just pray and then have tea, right? That is also, yeah. Okay. So in this first batch, I have started this 11th chapter. So in your school, have they started this